Janae with Palin Projects here, and in this video I plant up close to 200 cloves of garlic. I kind of walk you through the process of how I do it here in this garden. We do string a line just to make sure that we're roughly straight, and it keeps us kind of going in the right direction. And then I kind of zigzag pattern, just place them in the ground and cover them up. As a reminder for garlic, this is a piece that I actually damaged, but there is a pointy side, and then the bottom is the root side. If it'll focus, there we go. That's where the roots will come out. This is where the stem will come from, and then this will form the clove, or the bulb of garlic. So just a reminder is that, so it goes in the ground like this. I push it down, 1 to 2 inches ish, and then I just zigzagged all the way through. So I'll water this in and it's ready to go for winter.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in? All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh,
I'm breaking up the garlic heads, maybe. Should have chosen an easier one. Just like that. Trying to keep as much of the wrapper on as possible. It does sometimes come off, not a big deal, planted anyways. There are little ones like this that I'm putting over here, because small cloves mean smaller heads, so and then anything that's damaged, so I damaged this one. I'm going to be putting over there so we can just use that either tonight or throughout the week. But I'm trying to choose the biggest garlic cloves out of each garlic head.
What you're putting in, all your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring?
it's taken me a couple weeks to get around to posting this, but I did plant 200 cloves of garlic. on December 5th, which is insane for us. We usually have snow by then, which we have a couple inches now. Thankfully, we so need the moisture for next year. But I did get just over, I think, 200 cloves of garlic planted in this garden. And you may notice that this garden is different than the one that I'm usually in. This garden was actually Justin's parents' garden. So I was very happy to be able to plant all of that garlic for next year, and you know, we'll harvest it hopefully midsummer-ish. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll see you in next week's video. Bye.